I feel like drooling. That felt good. Beckles was sticking my head earlier.
That is Dakota.
I am more. Ow. That's okay.
That is Trent. And this is... And this is me. Hey.
And that's Monkey again.
Closet.
I see you. Hello.
You will never get out of here again.
Special delivery.
Ooh, is it pizza?
Yeah.
I want to try. Dude, you scream like a girl.
Hey, over here.
Get out of the way! Dude, tell! I said get out of the way! Some fabrics just don't know how to listen. Video this! Hi, Dakota.
I'm dizzy.
Hi, Dakota. He's dead.
What?
Dakota's dead. So I'm going to take this video over and do it myself. I go to Mason Creek Middle School. And I made a new friend. I like turtles. Woo! Monkeys!
What's that?
This is a very odd chair. Put your knees here. Ah! I'm humiliated right now.
Put that in here.
Whee!
That's our whole video.
Dude, it's our video on the computer. Check it out sometime.
That was like 5 minutes ago.
Odd. But